Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Audi RS Q3 2.5 TFSI S Tronic quattro, which is a petrol automatic, and this vehicle is also ULEZ compliant as well as being finished in an Audi exclusive colour. To start off with then, you have your all-weather LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch 5V-spoke matte titanium alloy wheels, really complementing the Audi exclusive colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the fine Napa leather diamond pattern stitched upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This car also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is a brilliant feature as it allows you all the natural light to come into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. As well as this, you also have the upgraded Bose sound system, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey you may take. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls as well as buttons to change your information panel, and on your steering column you are able to find your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. On your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 59,724 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need, including your Audi Drive Select, which has a variety of different driving modes, so you can find one suited to you or your driving style. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you of course have your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. As well as this, you also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, and you also have your rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.